Hi there. I'm Jen Yoakley, Senior Vice President of Global Marketing at Blink Charging, and I am delighted to share some exciting highlights from Blink. On Monday, March 11th, we celebrated the grand opening of our state-of-the-art manufacturing facility and announced the establishment of our global headquarters in Bowie, Maryland. We had a fantastic turnout to celebrate the expansion of Blink manufacturing capabilities. In the U.S., this facility will allow Blink to produce up to 50,000 L2 chargers annually. This will help us meet the high and continuously growing demand for EV charging infrastructure. We're so grateful to have been joined by distinguished guests from the Department of Energy, Congressman Hoyer, Congressman Ivey, White House Climate Advisor, Maryland state delegates, representatives of Prince George County, and Governor Wes Moore. This was a great week for Blink Charging. Our facility grand opening was followed up by our terrific earnings release, where we saw continued growth for Blink in 2023. Be on the lookout for more great things.